When playing games with children, let them win. Let children with the games you play with them. Allow them happiness. Allow them to have fun. Make it a close race, though, guys. Life lesson advice. Have a firm handshake. Look people in the eye on a great status system. If in a right, hit first and hit hard. Thought. Young men think old men are fools, but old man knows young men are fools. But man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed, but not defeated. You must become an old man in good time if you wish to be an old man long. Travel far enough, you will meet with yourself. Do what you love to do and give it your very best, whether it's business or baseball or the theater or any field. If you don't love what you are doing and you can't give it your best, get out of it. Life is too short. You shall be an old man before you know it. One secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there are so much to smile about. Life is a long lesson in humility. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. Love the life you live. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Spend every moment well with everyone because life is not lost, but good memories live forever.